Gonna go do a little creek fishing right here by the house. You get Wyatt up here. Sweet blue shirt.
Yeah.
Quentin hitting me with the fishing pole. Say hi.
Hi.
What are we gonna go do?
The creek.
The creek. We're gonna go fishing in the creek?
Yes, it's pretty creepy. This would be creepy.
Nice.
It is creepy.
What are we gonna catch? What do you think we're gonna catch?
Bluegill and hopefully some river chubs.
Nice. Think we're gonna catch any largemouth bass?
We might catch some largemouth bass. Small, usually largemouth is usually at somewhere else, but we might find some smallmouth. I mean, largemouth.
We have caught one in here before.
Yeah, we have actually.
All right, let's see what we can do. First cast.
We just got a nice
for
little
this
bluegill. Look how pretty that mouth is. Oh my god. Yeah.
I'll catch
I'm
a
not
fish
good.
too.
Yeah, hold on, buddy. Here.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, I got it.
Hold on, Quentin.
Thanks, buddy.
You got one, buddy. Quentin just got one on his first cast too. Reel it in. Reel the reel. Reel it in. You got one.
I got it.
You got one. First cast. Say, let's go.
Let's go.
Come on, eat
What
it.
do you think? You want to touch him?
No.
Good.
What? Quinn just caught a fish.
First cast. Beautiful little bluegill.
More coming right away.
Sunfish.
Oh,
whatever you want.
I got another one.
Oh, yeah. Be careful. There's no need to yell, okay?
I want to get one more.
Say bye-bye, fish. Oh, there you go.
I just caught
Holy.
a really small bluegill.
I catch a fish and
Look,
ate the hook.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, you caught one and you broke your hook.
Yeah.
But
Oh,
look,
man.
it has a very cool pattern on its mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go, second fish.
Quentin, good job, buddy. What'd you catch?
Mommy,
Hold the
hold
pole.
it.
Hold it. Grab him.
Let's put him back.
We gotta take the hook out. First, we gotta take the hook out, buddy.
What guy got, Dad?
Wyatt, acknowledge your brother's catch.
Nice.
Let some line up.
Let's go. Fourth fish. Let's go.
Stop kicking rocks in the water.
I didn't.
Look, you got one, buddy. Reel him in. Reel him in. You got a good one.
I got one.
Holy moly, you got a big one. Bring it here.
Oh, wait.
Stop reeling.
My
Like the whole.
fish.
Okay. Hey, put your thumb in his mouth. Put your thumb in there and squeeze. Pinch him. Hold on. Hold on. Hold him up for me. Let me see. Show him to me. Let him go. Bye-bye, fishy. Say thanks, fish.
I got it, Wyatt.
Nice, buddy.
Up, Wyatt. Keep reeling. You got a big one. I think you got a nice river chub. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Reel up some more. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. There you go. That's enough.
Nice one.
Oh, it's a big old river chub. Yeah, squeeze him. Be gentle. Be gentle.
Take him.
Oh, what do you have? Oh. Oh, it's okay. You're okay. You're okay. Just don't stick it so far in there, okay? Just throw him back. It's okay. He get you? Let me see.
Hey.
You're all better. Oh, Wyatt got one.
He bite me.
Boy, you can't stick your finger so far in his mouth, okay, buddy? Hey, what do you do?
He doesn't bite me.
Okay, are you all better? Okay. Don't stick your fingers in their mouth like that, okay?
Whoa.
Okay?
I got him. Guys, that is a nice old bluegill. The same pattern on its cheeks. Ah, thanks, buddy. Look at me die. Thanks, buddy.
What's that?
See those rocks over there? That's where I've been catching all my fish. And that brick that has holes in it, they keep going in it. So I pass back that, and it goes near that hole, and one just jumps up and goes.
Nice.
Eats it.
I got him.
Keep reeling. You got a hammerhead?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the biggest fish of the day.
Ooh. I just throw it.
Hold on. You gotta get them
I'll
off first.
throw like a Tyrannosaurus.
We don't need to throw him mean, no. It's just a fish. He let you catch him. Look at that cool fish. Say bye-bye, fishy. Don't throw. No, not so hard. We don't do that. We let him go nice. Okay? Hold on. Don't touch that.
How we got?
Good size that river chub Quentin just caught?
Not really, but I just caught a nice little river chub. Yeah.
I might get one.
And look at
Hold
that.
on.
Look at that cool little like rainbow gill
Come
right
on.
Beautiful.
Come on.
there. That thing just took it like a monster.
These fish are crazy. There's a lot of fish in this creek. Wipe your hands off on this, buddy.
Bro, they've been breeding.
Boy.
They've been breeding.
Yeah.
That's not there.
Beautiful.
Same pattern as all of the bluegill have for some reason.
I got it.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
I got it. I
And-
got it.
Good job. I got it. I'll take it.
Mommy had the.
Grab the line. Grab the line.
No. It's
Grab the
really
water.
pokey.
Grab this. Grab that. All right. Good job.
It's really pokey.
It's okay. Then we take and we grab this, and we grab the fish by his belly. By his belly, right there.
It's really pokey.
He's okay. Grab him right here. With your whole hand.
Oh no.
He's not gonna poke you. I had to take the little one home. Mosquito bites, he had had enough. So now we're walking back. Catch some more fish. We already caught a bunch. Did you
Yep.
catch a bunch?
Yep, I caught a pretty decent sized bluegill, as you saw in the video. And also, you might be able to see a big one in a minute when we get there.
All right. First cast, he's got one hooked up.
Let's go.
Put your pole up a little bit.
Oh,
Nice fat river chub.
let's go. Look at that belly.
Mm-hmm. You need more line out on your pole, but that's all right. You'll get it. Good job, dude.
Look at that big one.
Creek fishing, bro.
Creek fishing, I might think it might be the best fishing ever. I mean, look at that thing.
Let him go.
Thanks, buddy. Wow, that one has teeth. This one has teeth.
That's a nice one.
Look how beautiful that is.
That is a pretty one.
Thanks, buddy.
Not to handle.
It's a nice little carousel ride. Phew, what? He has been caught. Boy. Me. Nice. Look at that. Like, you see that color right there?
Mm-hmm.
This is a beautiful guy. Thank you, hot swinger.
Hey, look at your pole. Pay attention. Yeah, no.
Oh, good.
I call those a warmouth. That big old mouth on them. Some kind of sunfish. Some kind of mutt. Remember what I taught you? There you go.
Look at this. Look at that.
Stop moving them.
See all these colors?
Let him go.
Thank you, buddy.
You always got to pay attention where your pole's at, though, buddy, even when you're taking the fish off. There you go. Get your pole up. The tip, not the handle.
It's a nice little carousel ride. Phew, what? He has been caught. Boy. Me. Nice. Look at that. Like, you see that color right there?
Mm-hmm.
This is a beautiful guy. Thank you, hot swinger.
Got him. That's awesome. Popper creek fishing. Caught him on a popper. Look at that silly little popper. Never used this lure in my life. We just caught all the fish in this spot. We're going to move on to another one. What kind of lure you got there? Let's see it. Pick it up.
We are using trout magnets. They are pretty good for fishing. They catch some. If you're just.
You can leave it on there, bud.
If you like to catch bluegill, this is.
Hold it still.
If you like to catch bluegill, this is the kind of lure for you.
Yeah. I'm going to untwist your line here.
Okay. Ready? Peace.
Don't go any closer. Well, this is going to be our last spot for the night. There's some little thunderstorms coming. Huh. Well, it's already got one. That's a good one, too. Nice, buddy.
Ooh, look, it has like, what would you call that color?
Teal?
Teal, I guess. You devoured that thing.
Mm. Make sure you throw them over there where the water's deep enough.
Thanks, buddy.
He's alright there.
Scared. Look at him. Get devoured.
Every single cast. Watch the top of your pole, bud. You gotta start reeling it up a little more.
It's literally every single cast.
Yep.
Thanks, little buddy. He's so cute.
This creek is about a 2.5 minute walk from our front door. You don't have to get out far to go fishing. This is a great place. It's full of fish. Wyatt's been catching a fish on every cast at this spot.
Yeah.
He also gets tangled up in his line every cast. Every cast. Mosquitoes are getting bad.
I agree, Dad.
It's been another classy adventure. Thanks for coming along with us.
Thanks for watching Classy Adventure.